ready to colour. I'm just going to show you a really simple technique. So grab 2 alcohol markers in a light blue and a darker blue. And I'm just using any colourless blender. This just happens to be a Decatime. A Prisma white pencil. So colourless blender first, just all over your window. Next, use your lighter colour and just colour all over the window. And then just go across like this. And get your colourless blender again. And just go over. And then I like to drop a little bit of a very pale yellow in. Then take a white acrylic pen and draw diagonal lines again. And there we go, we've got our window effect with the light reflections in it. We have a little bottle down here. I'm going to apply my colourless blender, and then I'm going to take a blue and I'm going to go all over with the blue. Then take a yellow pen and just dab a few drops on the bottle. And you can dab a few drops of a pale pink pen to give a bit of dimension. And again, take your darker blue and draw some diagonal lines. Take your Prisma pencil and again blend all over. Take your acrylic pen and draw lines again. And there we go. You have a try now.